Welcome back. Now the news from sports. Defending champions Muslipa Churchill Brothers scored a resounding 4-0 victory over Mohun Bagan in the I-League. The match was played at Nehru Stadium in Madgaon on Friday. This result, however, only delays Dempo Sports Club party as the Panji-based club just need a point to win the season title.
Muslipa Churchill Brothers came into this match knowing very well that any other result than a victory would dethrone them from being the champion club of India. Their rivals on the day, Mohun Bagan, had rather nothing important to aim for. The home side started in a whirlwind fashion and pumped in 3 goals in the first half itself. I-League's leading goal scorer Udafa Okoli's effort in the 20th minute gave Churchill Brothers the early goal they were looking for. Felix Chimaku continued his fine run of form and scored the second goal of the match in the 26th minute. 6 minutes later, the third of the Nigerian attacking trio, Ogba Kalu, made it 3-0 in favour of the Waraka-based side. Udafa Okoli took his I-League tally of goals this season to 19, with his second of the match coming in the 52nd minute. Although Churchill Brothers have games in hand over leaders Dempo Sports Club, Carlos Roberto Pereira's side could be stripped of their champion status if Dempo clinch even a single point at Shillong Lajong on Sunday. Meanwhile, it's happy time for India and Churchill defender Gormangi Singh, who has a trial coming up with Melbourne Heart FC.
I got an offer to go for 2 weeks trial with Melbourne FC. That's all for now. I mean, and I'm just looking forward, just preparing myself, just try to get back to my best fitness and stuff, so that it will be quite difficult there. So that's what I'm doing, looking forward in 2 weeks.
Well, critics have said that you lost the title yourself. Where do you think, you lost the title, do you still believe you can win it though?
It's not in our hand now. It's Dempo has almost run away with the titles. The thing is already, that the best chance we can do is keep pushing us, try to get win the remaining matches and be there second. That's all we can do now. Yeah.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
KK Youth Club's football camp for under-15 players concluded on Thursday. On the concluding day of the 21-day camp at Majorda, football kits were distributed to the 40 trainees.
Young footballers from in and around Majorda were given football training under the guidance of coaches Custodio Almeida and Joaquim Crasto. Football kits sponsored by Corporation Bank were distributed to the players at the end of the camp. National football referee and KK Youth Club president Anjulo Fernandez revealed the motive of this program.
Football is in blood only, warm. So I want to improve because there are a lot of boys attending the schools, Anglashram, Centenary High School, Our Lady of Goods High School, Toda, and Katalwaki. So all these boys want to come here and play. When they play on this ground, I saw them just playing without anybody's guidance. So I told my friends like Kisto, Joki, that I want to organize, and they have full support they have given me, and every day they are coming and giving this training. This is a 21 days advanced coaching camp we are organizing.
During the concluding ceremony, Deputy General Manager of Corporation Bank, B.B. Tejappa, encouraged the players to take up football as a career.
Make an excellent mark of this particular society who has taken excellent interest in developing your career as a football player. So you can make excellent career in a football player. This is not an ordinary job, because the people can make career in various activities. One may be making in sports, one may be making in education, one may be making in music. There are so many areas. It is not the only education which people can make a career. I really appreciate players take a very active interest and see that some good things which can be done. And I feel Goa is a heaven of football. Yeah, wherever you go, we can see for small kids playing football. And this is one of the homely sports in this particular area. And make best use of the available opportunities.
A reporter from Majorda, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Who doesn't like a chocolate? I like it, and I'm sure you like it too. An exclusive chocolate showroom at Panji will help in fulfilling our chocolate needs. Enjoy these mouth-watering chocolates. Take care and goodbye.
Mama, she said roll it, Papa, he said holy moly. Everybody want a chocolate. Choco. All the girls for candy. All the boys get ready. Everybody want a chocolate. Come on. Choco.